5556 Oxbow Street. So that's some sort of pipe that's insulated there. RV parking, a shed. This looks like a composite roof, I believe. It's definitely not the tile shingles. Oh, you want that? Okay. We do have closet door guides here. And here's the garage. Side entry that you definitely want to rekey. Washer and dryer, water heater. Need a shower rod in here. Maybe need a closet rod there. And here's the master. I couldn't get those to slide, so you definitely just want to make sure you have a handyman come and fix that. Need a shower rod or a door. Okay, that's pretty much it.